Fabric upholstery is a great material as it is normally less expensive than leather, and in some cases, is easy to clean. Before cleaning fabric upholstery, it is important to look at it closely to determine the type of cleaning to be performed. What should you check before cleaning fabric upholstery? There are two things you need to do before cleaning a fabric upholstery. First, identify the fabric types. There are many types of fabric that commonly used in furniture, such as cotton, polyester, viscose, nylon, linen, chenille, acrylic, and dosker. Fabric is very popular as it is cheaper, more flexible, and more delicate than leather. By identifying the fabric types, you can determine which equipment and chemicals to be used. Second, check if there are any rips, cuts, or deep stains. These casualties may require professional attention. If your fabric upholstery needs to be repaired, make sure you repair the damage before proceeding to cleaning, protecting, and conditioning. Though it is rare, you may have to follow a different cleaning method after repairs, so be sure to always do this first. So, that's the procedure of assessing fabric upholsteries according to the Asian standard. In the next video, you will learn further about cleaning, the equipment, and chemicals needed to clean fabric upholstery, nurturing you to grow.